Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by naming what pushes you to go too far, because awareness is the shortcut to control. Once identified, set a single, measurable limit, time, count, or dollar amount so you have a clear stop point. Make the first actionable move now. Pause, take 5 deep breaths, and step away for 60 seconds. Doing this interrupts the automatic escalation and gives your brain a reset. Make sure to record the trigger and limit. You'll use that data to refine the plan. Once you've started, manage the middle by breaking tasks into short, controlled blocks so momentum doesn't become excess. Use a visible counter, a kitchen timer, tally marks, or an app alert because external limits beat willpower alone. At each scheduled break, reassess. Ask whether the goal is closer and whether intensity can drop by about 20%. If it can, make that change. If not, shorten the next block. These checks prevent creeping escalation and keep effort aligned with your true priorities. To finish well, use a stop ritual. Close the activity, log what you did versus your limit, and take a focused 15-minute recovery. Doing this signals to your nervous system that the task is complete and reduces rebound overdoing. Review outcomes against your preset limits and write one lesson to change next time. If you slipped and overdid it, don't punish yourself. Pause, breathe, and commit to reapplying half the previous intensity on the next try. That troubleshooting tweak prevents repeating the same escalation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.